These crispy roasted potatoes are cheap, easy and seriously delicious. Welcome to Simply Food Recipes, where we make simple homemade food that anyone can enjoy. Peel your potatoes and cut them into slices, not too thin and not too thick. Then put them into a baking dish. Add garlic to taste. You can grate it right over the potatoes or use garlic press. Add some caraway seeds for extra flavor and beautiful aroma. Season with salt. And finally, drizzle everything with cooking oil. Give everything a good mix so the garlic gets all over the potatoes. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. And bake the potatoes for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take them out and give them a good stir. Loosen anything that's stuck to the bottom, then bake for another 15 to 20 minutes, depending on your oven. And there they are, beautifully golden, crispy around the edges and ready to serve. We like ours with little sour cream, but you can use your favorite dip or sauce. Serve them with some fresh vegetables for easy, cheap and delicious dinner, or enjoy them as a side dish. Thanks for watching Simply Food Recipes. Like, share and follow for more easy homemade recipes.